The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pikeville Police Department. Reports have come in of an explosion in downtown Pikeville. The source of the explosion is unknown at this time. The Pikeville Police Department is currently running an investigation on the matter. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Pikeville Police Department. Residents of the city of Pikeville, lock all of your doors immediately. It has now been confirmed that the source of the explosion was from a coal mine in nearby Martin County. Reports have come in that lots of coal slurry has been released as a result of the explosion. Though this has not been confirmed, if this is true, water may become unsafe to drink from certain areas. Residents of Pikeville are encouraged to shelter in place at this time. To shelter in place, go inside. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. This shelter-in-place order will be in effect until further notice. Stay tuned to this channel for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. The coal slurry from the mine explosion has leaked into Wolf Creek. This has interfered with some water suppliers, as the water now appears to be contaminated with coal and other materials. All residents of Pikeville are advised to either use bottled water, or boil water for at least 5 minutes before use. Stay tuned to this channel for further information as it becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Martin County Emergency Management. Residents of Martin County, evacuate immediately. A large fire from a coal mine explosion is burning beneath the county. Although it is not known whether or not the fire will spread above ground, it is extremely likely. All citizens living in Martin County are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Make sure you have food and water that will last you at least 7 days. Also bring clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. More updates on the situation will follow as information becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kentucky Emergency Management Agency. It has been confirmed that chemicals such as arsenic and mercury have been found in the water affecting Martin County, as well as the city of Pikeville. Water is no longer considered safe to drink or use in Pikeville. All residents of Pikeville are advised to use alternatives, as water is no longer considered safe in the city. Stay tuned to this or other channels or media outlets for further information.
civil danger for all of eastern Kentucky. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. A coal mine explosion in Martin County has affected the pipelines. This has affected water in cities all across eastern Kentucky. The following cities have reported water issues: Ashland, Middlesboro, London, Moorhead, Corbin, Flatwoods, Mount Sterling, Williamsburg, and Hazard. All citizens in the listed cities are advised not to use or drink water, as it has been confirmed to be contaminated with dangerous chemicals. Stay tuned to this channel as more updates will follow as information becomes available. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Public Health and the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Damaged water pipelines from a coal mine explosion have affected water in the following states: Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Ohio, Tennessee, Virginia, and West Virginia. Water in these areas is no longer considered safe to drink, as it has been confirmed to be contaminated with arsenic and mercury. The President has issued a message saying that water is not to be used, as the pipelines are expected to affect the water in the rest of the United States in the next few days. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WKLE. We will continue to serve the Lexington area. If you are not in this area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Lexington area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action termination. Crews have cleaned out the pipelines and have cleaned the water from the arsenic and mercury. Water is now safe to drink. Repeat, water is now safe to drink. In addition, the fire burning under Martin County, Kentucky, has been successfully put out. Residents of Martin County are now allowed to return home. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume.